Bright and sunny day in the Dehiwala beach in Sri Lanka on the 7th of December 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, what I have observed pretty often in my engagement in diversity of frontiers, in the corporate world, in the social frontier, even in the spiritual engagements in areas of interest. Sometimes the individual preferences and personal interests begin to take a dominant role. When the individual preferences, personal interests begin to play a greater and a dominant role, that leads to a significant amount of confrontations, conflicts all the time. And then the bigger need, the bigger the vision, bigger issue get buried under. And because you are resolving petty differences between individuals and trying to safeguard the personal interest. And I see many people spending enormous amount of time on those things. And as a result of that, the most important, most vital, most needed, the life-giving opportunities and the needs are get neglected. Ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 virus has showcased to us many things, yet people are not changed. People still do not understand the journey properly. And that's why there are so many conflicts, so many diversity of views and confusions all the time from different groups of people, from the scientists, from the medical fraternity, from the economists, from the politicians. More and more the confusion. And we could see a greater individual interest is always try to be taken care, and the individual interests and the personal preferences. It is time that you and I understand the big picture and the need of the hour. And sometimes we may have to sacrifice our own personal interest and individual preferences for the sake of the great enrichment of all of us, not few of us. And that is not being taken care. And that's why we find various disruptive situations have risen and firefighting takes place all the time, instead of moving in the journey progressively to enrich one another. It is time, ladies and gentlemen, there would be a need for us to clearly look at sacrificing the individual interests and the personal preferences for the greater interest of many people in more places more often.